Okay, so number 3 and 4 are a little bit different. Part A is really the main difference. So now for number 3, they tell us 68% of the girls were sopranos. So now they want to know how many of the girls then were sopranos. If you don't know what soprano is, it's like a part of the band. Sandra could explain it to you if you guys don't know. But anyways, so to find, we need to basically figure out what 68% of 32 is. Because there were 32 girls, and they want to know 68% of them were sopranos, so how many were sopranos? How many sang soprano? So we're trying to find 68% of 32. This is another thing you guys do a lot in real life. So remember, of means multiply. So we basically want to multiply 68% times 32. So now we need to turn 68%. You can't really multiply by a percentage. So we need to turn 68% now from a percent to a decimal. So going backwards from the last one, we have to move the decimal back 2. So 68% as a decimal would be 0.68. So if we want to figure out 68% of 32, we do 0.68 times 32. And here we get 21.76. Okay, so that's kind of weird. That means 21.76 girls sang soprano. Okay, so we obviously can't have 0.76 girls. Okay, so in this context, we want to round up to 22. Okay, so for this one, we would say 22 of the girls sang soprano. Then for B, it says now what percent of the entire chorus sang soprano. Remember, we had 49 in our total choir. So for this, we want to do 22 divided by 49. And that should come out to about 0.45. So, in other words, they want a percentage, remember. So 0.45 as a percent, move the decimal over. That would be 45%. So we could basically say that 45% of the entire chorus sing soprano. Okay, that's kind of how you'll do number 4, and then try 5.